Isn't it strange? Volcanoes can build up an entire island from scratch. I'm Shilik at Found Creative Corner. Today we're going to be talking about volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the surface of Earth where magma, ash, and gases escapes all from the Earth. If you wonder what are the main parts of a volcano, here they are. Magma chamber, the place underground where hot, melted rock is stored. Vent, the main tunnel that travels through to reach the surface. Crater, the bowl shape that opens at the top of the volcano. Next, we have lava, magma that comes out into the Earth's surface. Ash cloud, the tiny piece of rock and dust blows all into the air. Next, cone, the mountain-shaped pile of hardened lava and ash. Now let's find out why volcanoes explode. A volcano explodes because of magma built up under the Earth's crust. When the pressure becomes too strong, the magma pushes through cracks out of the volcano. Here are 3 facts about volcanoes. The first one, some volcanoes can erupt for hundreds of years, like Mountain Etna in Italy. The second one, underwater volcanoes can make new islands when they erupt. The last one, volcanoes can change the weather by releasing ash and gases into the air. These fairy mountains remind us Earth is alive and full of surprises. Thank you for joining me in Found Creative Corner. Until next time.